I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you want to stop your Apple TV subscription from automatically renewing, follow these steps. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the Settings app on your Apple TV. This is where you'll find all your account and subscription options. Step 2. Go to Users and Accounts. Select Users and Accounts from the Settings menu. This section contains your account information and subscriptions. Step 3. Select your account. Choose your account from the list. This is typically your Apple ID that you use for purchases and subscriptions. Step 4. Access subscriptions. Scroll down and select Subscriptions. Here, you can view all your active subscriptions linked to your account. Step 5. Cancel Auto Renewal. Find the subscription you want to cancel and select it. Then turn off the Auto Renewal option. Confirm your choice when prompted. Be aware that if you cancel too close to the renewal date, you might still be charged for the next billing cycle. Just check the renewal date before making changes. I hope this helps you manage your subscriptions easily.